Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox LS, stock number Z9709XX. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Nightfall Gray Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera displays, hard keys below for radio, easy to operate, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.